Hey guys, JD here with the Kawasaki Ultra 310 LXS, and today I wanted to share with you guys some really cool upcoming features that I'm going to have on my channel. This is sponsored by Kawi Performance. They have been generous enough to send me some awesome upgrades for my ski. So you guys know we did the Kawi Performance tensioner upgrade. We've got the spring bushings, we've got the idler pulley, we've got the Kawi Performance automatic tensioner. So now we're going to be upgrading our exhaust system with the help of Kawi Performance. Now we've got a couple different components here, and they all go together to give us a really substantial performance and durability upgrade to our ski. So we're going to start with the crown jewel of this. And you guys have asked me about this, basically till I'm blue in the face. Finally, I will be installing the Kawi Performance Exhaust Filter Bypass Kit. So this is a billet anodized plate that goes right in there between these two exhaust pipes. This eliminates the need for the exhaust filter. So I had always touted the benefits of the exhaust filter and it preventing excessive condensation from forming in the head. However, I've spent over $1,500 on exhaust filters. The one in here has failed and needs to be replaced again. The filter from Kawasaki is just not suited for saltwater use. That's been my experience, and I'm just done replacing it. I've spent a fortune on them and I'm just done. So I'll be installing this bypass plate, but it doesn't end there. You can see I've got these are the stock exhaust bolts. I've had this manifold off a lot, and these bolts are just looking a little sad. So Kawi Performance has sent me their complete stainless steel bolt set for the Ultra 310 exhaust. This includes the 5 bolts for the upper pipe here. That also includes these 4 bolts for your lower pipe assembly here. And guess what? It doesn't end there. So you guys have, in my videos, you've seen me remove this coupler down there. That blue coupler that connects the water box to the lower exhaust pipe there. Well, my coupler has worn out a bit from taking it on and off, and it started to leak. It started to leak spray. I could see salt water on the water box. So Kawi Performance has sent me their upgraded silicone coupler. This is a hidden gem on their website. Not very many people know about this. And late at night, I was searching their catalog and came across this and asked about it. And so they sent it to me to try out. This is an upgraded coupler. It's a little bit higher quality than the stock one and provides a little bit longer service life. So I'll be upgrading the whole exhaust assembly here with the bypass plate, new stainless steel hardware, and this new coupler. Check it out, video coming in a couple days. This video was made possible by Kawi Performance. Visit them on the web at kawiperformance.com.